The Volkswagen ID.7. You may have already seen it, but what do we know and what can you expect? Well, the ID.7 premiered itself to the world on the 17th of April, boasting new premium features, outstanding quality and a new level of efficiency. The ID.7 is a 6 all-electric vehicle from Volkswagen which is based on the MEB platform, like with the upcoming Volkswagen ID.2 All, which is set to release in 2025. If you haven't already seen that concept, I'll leave a link just above that you can check out. However, back to the ID.7. It's predicted to have up to 700 kilometers worth of WLTP range depending on the battery size. There's also faster charging times, taking 25 minutes to charge between 10% to 80, and charging capacities of up to 200 kilowatts, meaning continuous driving with fewer stops and more time on the road, which is something we'd love to see from these new electric vehicles. But what else can we expect from the ID.7? Well, more increased performance and greater efficiency, thanks to its revised aerodynamics which have been built into the car. The ID.7 will also be the ideal companion for everyday use and longer journeys, thanks to its outstanding roominess and the smart glass roof which creates an airy atmosphere. There's also something called smart air vents situated within the cabin, which distribute air throughout the cabin before the user even gets into the vehicle. And there will also be vehicle voice commands as seen with the previous ID models. High-end wellness air-cooled seats will also be available with a massage function at an added extra. However, you will also get a Harman Kardon sound system within the interior and a colour 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is something we love to see. You'll also get heads-up display as standard, which is fantastic, and with Volkswagen, you'll have recyclable materials used all throughout the interior. All sustainable, no animal materials present, which is also something else that we really like to see. So, in a nutshell, what is the ID.7? Well, it's meant to have lots of range, greater features, and you are going to love it. Stay tuned, as soon as one lands, we'll be here to video it and give you a full tour of the new model. But until then, please make sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching.